Morning, new day, new morning, new beautiful day in paradise. Good morning. So I woke up because my kids came to me saying, "Oh, the little chick's out," and I'm like, "Man, again." I didn't want to stand up. It's Sunday. I wanted to, to sleep in a little bit, but no. Anyway, I'm out already and it's time to do something. So today my plan is to make another snail for avocados, and it should be much thicker. So that's what I want to do. So I did it the same I did it last time. I rolled it with the bubbles, but this time instead of one layer of bubbles, I used like 3 layers of bubbles to make sure I form it much thicker. And now I'm gonna fill it with the dirt, and I'll try to... No, don't go out. Stay here. You're gonna help my soil to fertilize. So I rolled it, and this time it's gonna be much thicker, like this, so I can put some avocado seeds and hope for the best. So I filled it from the top, and now how it looks like. See, much thicker than this one, even though not that many layers. Not that the cardboard is not that long. And now I'm gonna plant the avocados in there, and also I'll plant some radish, because I'm not sure that my radish survived from my previous attempt. By the way, I bought a new cherry tomato, and the wild cherry tomato that we found already got these 2 green ones and this one orange one. So hopefully we'll get some tomatoes first, and that's gonna be our first harvest this year. Chick is out again. Looks like I'll need to stop doing what I've been doing and rebuild the chick's coop. Yeah, I mean it's really bad right now, but I just didn't want to spend time on this. I wanted to build the new big coop instead. Okay, so where's the little chick? I've seen him from the window. Where is he? Oh, here it is. Okay, I got him. Cute one, right? I'll let him in. Okay. Yeah, now I need to think of how to rebuild it. So basically I need to make that wall and this wall the same size and cover it. I didn't want to spend time on that, but I'll have to, unfortunately. As usual, I'm doing 10 things at a time, and it's time to do one more thing. Alright, so let's plant the avocados into the new snail. That's why I made it thick, so we can blend the avocados in there. I'll put it one right in the middle. It should go like this, I think. Okay. So let me see where's the snail goes. Here. Alright, couldn't find the snail. Okay, I know that in the middle there's no snail. So this is the cardboard. It goes. Where does it go? Oh, so that's the start. That's where it started. So the little tiny rainworm in here. I'll keep it here. Alright. So I'll move it a little bit to this corner. Okay, so it's gonna be one. And then it goes like here. Here, right? Okay, one more. No, it should go in the middle. This will go in the middle. In the middle. This is the next one. Here's gonna come the next one. Why did I put it here? Because I just realized I got the huge one, and the huge one is gonna go in the middle because it has much more space. Like this. Okay. Okay. Footer. Yeah, I'll try to give them a little space so the roots don't stand or on one another's way. Another one here, and another one here. And now I'll grab the old ones. Plant it here too. I'll put all my avocados in one spot. Okay, one more little further here. Good. And do we have any space in here? Yes, why not? Well, we'll try. We'll get the smaller one. This one is like got cut open. I'm not sure if I still should plant it, but again I'll try. I'm not sure, but I'll try. Some more space in here for this one. Alright. And this is gonna be my last one. Which side goes up and which goes down? Like this, I assume. Okay. Alright. Looks pretty ugly yet. Looks like an Easter, right? Easter. Yeah, and it's, by the way, today is an Orthodox Easter, so that's symbolic. Looks good. I'll use some space in between to put the radish, and it's gonna be really nice. And we'll check it later.